I'm going to be adding some more plants to the mini pond, and I'm also going to be adding a couple of guppies to it to see how that works out. And right above here I've got some more Mexican oak leaf that is crazy tall, so I'm going to cut that up and stick it in. Then I've also got this one plant that I got from a local pond, and it was doing pretty good, and then it kind of started dying, but I'll plant it in there and see if it'll recover. And I have a whole bunch more of this in this tank right here, if you can see that in the back with the big long leaves. There's 4 or 5 plants back there, I think, and they're all doing really good. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I haven't really showcased this guy yet. I haven't even named him, actually. I've had him for a couple months now. He's a blue gourami. Got him at Meijer for $1, I think. So far he's doing really good. He's pretty cool. He's fun to watch. I have a whole bunch of hornwort in this tank that I'm gonna take out. Also adding this big rock in for a little bit more texture. You know what? I think what I might try to go for, I'm going to put the rock right in the middle and kind of plant all around it a little bit.